Greetings, namaste and vanakkam from Generation AI. I am Prasidhi Singh, 13 years of age from Chengalpattu, Tamil Nadu, a UNICEF India youth advocate. And I present to you the Children and Youth Statement for a safe and inclusive AI future. Not just a document, a mandate built from the voices of nearly 54,000 young people across 184 countries. Further informed by focused group discussions across India with other children and young people. This statement is an urgent call to action to ensure that the AI systems are shaped with and for children and young people. We present the following 8 demands, calling on governments, regulatory authorities, think tanks, civil society organizations, UN bodies, and technology companies to ensure and take immediate and collective action. Demand 1. Ensure that AI systems are inclusive by design and use diverse and representative data sets that reflect the lived experiences of marginalized communities across caste, class, gender, geography, and racial contexts. 2. Ensure strong data protection, ethical standards, and safety in the development and use of AI, including age-appropriate design and safeguards against harmful AI-generated content. 3. Invest in education systems and institutional capacities to prepare children and young people to engage with AI critically, ethically, and safely. 4. Develop and implement parental guidance and support mechanisms to help them guide and protect children's interactions with AI while respecting their privacy, safety, freedom of expression, and evolving capacities. 5. Invest in emerging opportunities for children and young people to engage with AI through incubation, through mentorship, through project-based initiatives that support real-world problem solving. 6. Invest in building accessible AI-ready skills for children and young people and ensure that they are equipped for meaningful employment opportunities. 7. Address the risks of job displacement and exclusion, particularly the use of automated screening that can often unfairly disadvantage children and young people from marginalized communities, by ensuring transparency and human oversight in AI-driven recruitment processes. And finally, 8. Meaningfully engage children and young people from grassroots communities as AI ambassadors and contributors throughout the AI life cycle. Real seats, real opportunities, real ways to engage in the decision making. Because when young people shape AI as equal partners, it is nation building, it is planet building, it builds creators, not merely consumers of the future. So yes, as Gen AI, we want the future to be smart. Certainly, we want the future to be smart, but we also want it to be fair. The only question left is whether you are ready to build it with us. Thank you. Namaste.